Hey everyone, Scott Lesenby here from the Family Suite at the Hilton O'Hare International Airport. This is pretty sweet. Not great, not luxurious, but very, very big. If you saw my other video about the standard room at this hotel, you'll quickly see that it's basically the same thing, but on a much larger scale. This is huge. The square footage, I believe, is 400 and something square feet. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen, but it's a fairly decent sized room. It is perfect for families, I guess. I mean, there's more room to spread out. You can, you can let the kids play and run around and do their thing, and yeah, it's great. There is only one bed, though. I do believe you can get this room or this suite with double twin beds or whatever, but I got it with the king, which kind of doesn't really make sense for a family suite unless you all want to sleep together in the same bed. But this works. For me, for a solo traveler, for one night, this is pretty nice. I will admit that I was hoping, crossing my fingers, that this would be slightly more luxurious than a standard room here at the Hilton at O'Hare. This is not a very luxurious hotel. It's not, it's, I don't want to, I don't know how to say it without sounding mean and condescending. It's not the best airport hotel, but it's extremely convenient. It's convenient. Let's just leave it at that. But this works. This is pretty cool. So you've got your main living area here, got a nice couch, and then big, huge TV on that side. The TV works this time. The TV did not work the last time I stayed here, so that's good. There is no internet TV, so you don't get things like YouTube or Netflix or anything like that. It's just all network TV. There are some cable channels like HBO and that sort of thing, but the TV is not internet enabled. So I got a nice coffee table here. It's a little sticky, so we're not going to touch that. And then the standard Hilton O'Hare desk. I believe this is the same desk that's in every room. And wow, this heater is hot. It's old and ancient, but it is hot. It works. Temperature outside is about 0 degrees Fahrenheit, so this thing is just cranking out the heat. Feels pretty good. It's working pretty well. And over here we have a microwave, and it comes with a GoPro. No, it doesn't. That's mine. So yeah, microwave, and then a coffee maker. There's no bottled water here. That really bums me out because I am in need of a bottle of water right now, but I'm not going to complain too much. And down here is a refrigerator. Kind of clean. It's not perfect, but it works. So, with the microwave and the refrigerator, that's really nice. And then coming over here, it's my stuff, is the bathroom. It's a standard O'Hare Hilton bathroom. This is identical to the last bathroom that I experienced at this hotel in a standard room. The door has much better clearance in this room. If you recall from my last review, there was a 1/4 inch of space. They got that figured out by the time they get to this room. And then the shower and the tub is all the same. One thing that I don't like is that there is no body wash. We've got shampoo, conditioner, and more shampoo. When you come over here, body lotion. I don't want body lotion. I want body wash. I guess I'm going to have to use shampoo to scrub myself down. Yes, there is soap over here, hand soap. I never really touch that stuff because it's usually leaves my delicate skin so dry. But yeah, this is the standard O'Hare Hilton bathroom. It's the same as every room. So yeah, all in all, I can't complain. Like I said, I was expecting something a little bit nicer. I was hoping for something a little bit nicer, but this isn't the case. It's a decent room nonetheless. I don't really have any complaints about this. Oh, I do need to show you the view really quick while I'm here. And this is a non-airport facing room. I can figure out how to get the, one moment please, there we go. So this faces the opposite side. So the airport is behind us. And we are looking at a giant parking garage. And it looks like there's plenty of parking on the top level if anyone wants to come down and park. Yeah, so there's not much of a view over here. There are runways on the other side, I do believe, but all of the action is on the other side. And there you have it. This is a pretty good room. It's going to be a little bit more spendy than a standard room, of course, but if you need the space, it's probably worth it. It's a good place to stretch your legs and stretch out for a bit before your flight or after a flight or whatever. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comment section below. I will get to them as soon as I can. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.